Hi, we're Travel Tribe ATL. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour of our suite at Marriott's Barony Beach Club on Hilton Head Island in South Carolina. The first room in our suite has 2 queen beds, a spacious closet, and a decent-sized television. Each vanity mirror had a dimmable ring light. As well as a separate water closet. Across from the guest bathroom was a full washer and dryer. Each suite features a full-size kitchen with a coffee maker, electric stove, microwave, and full-size fridge. The dining room table seats 6, as well as having 2 bar stools at the bar. The living room area features a large flat-screen TV, plenty of seating, as well as a queen-size pull-out couch. The master bathroom featured a double vanity with a separate water closet with a walk-in shower. The master bedroom has a king-size bed as well as a desk and chair and a flat-screen TV. It also has direct access to the balcony that overlooked the pool. The balcony featured seating for 4 as well as great views. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be the first to know when we release new content. Check out a full review of this hotel on our blog linked below and watch some of our other videos for family-friendly travel ideas for Hilton Head and other locations.